Arts work fly.
You want to try the best on?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Wait, is this
We need to be kind.
You can't much meat. A big. I want to try. I want to try.
Get the back. And then? So, we do it like this. Alright.
If you like these videos that I'm putting out, please consider to subscribe, like and comment down below. With that said, let's take a second to do so. Thank you very much. It will help me out a lot.
Nobody didn't get it. No, I'm seeing faces, so that's not
1 moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You win! Okay, I did before the minute, but you did still have 1 minute.
Now work on everything, all of the 160 to use
As you can see, the little children, they were enjoying themselves. It's all about them. They are the future. They are the ones that are going to take over for us. Future policemen and women, mathematicians, etc. They also had different types of foods for sale. So you have the different schools selling cookies, donuts, fries, sandwiches, juices, pina colada, etc. It was a lot. Bring your money when you're coming to these events. Most of these foods were very delicious. They taste very good. So I'm going around showing you all the foods that was there and so on. There was plenty of foods. It ended about after 3. Everybody started to pack up after 3. They're about making their last minute sales and stuff like that. Yes, so everybody was just enjoying themselves, buying food, looking at different booths, playing the games, get an understanding of what is going on in each booth.
Yeah, I can see.
Our drip irrigation, we're trying to showcase ways to conserve water in this drought time that we're in. It's a model, of course, so we did not use green plants for this one. But this is how it would actually work to conserve water, to lessen the effects of soil erosion, lessen the effects of a possible flood, all of that, right? Cut down on the amount of trees that we're going to lose if we have to plant. If we have to plant a lot of crops, yes. Right?
Definitely. Especially in those town areas.
Yes. And there is no sunlight to get electricity. So this is just a buffer.
It's like a solar community water harvesting plant.
House rainwater harvesting. This provides sufficient water for the houses and their
Some people even bring their house and their water tanks. I'm just joking. This is a rainwater harvesting system. So they will collect the rainwater from the roof, then from the roof into the tank. I don't remember if there was a purification process, but yes, that is a rainwater harvesting system.
Together we are artwork fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.